Hi there, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest. Today I am participating in a spring lantern collab hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner. If you have not seen Kenya's channel, you need to go check her out. She does tons of decorating, DIYs, and some food and recipes. It's just an amazing channel. In this video, we were asked to either decorate with a lantern or decorate the lantern. So I've decided to just decorate this lantern for spring. It has glass on the sides, but the top is open. And so the first thing I'm doing is I've already laid down some moss and I've got the lantern sitting on a big white tray. So I'm just going to add some of these eggs that were from the dollar store, and I just painted them with chalk paint and put some speckles on them. I made this tree, I just said that with quotation marks, and what I did was just take a jar and I added some branches and some long magnolia twigs. I wanted somewhere to have the bird nest. So you can see on the back here, I used some jute rope, I used some sticks from my garden, and I also just used some of the magnolia stems. I wanted to just have the buds showing. I wanted this to be more of a spring-like, almost just starting to bloom kind of look. So I think it turned out pretty good, and now I'm going to just put it inside the lantern and cross my fingers that it doesn't stick up too far. I've got Kenya's channel link and the playlist link down in my description box, so don't forget to go check out everyone else's videos. I like the position that it's in. It's not too tall. So what I'm going to do is close the lid, but I don't want the lid to go all the way closed. I want to be able to just see some of the tree. So I'm going to use a little stick and I'm going to just wedge that in the gap there where the hinges are, and it's just going to hold that in place so the lid can't fall shut. Next, I'm going to add this Farm Fresh Eggs sign that I made last year, and it's just made on a little pallet that I got at the dollar store. So I'm just going to park this on the one side and then just do a little adjustment of my eggs. I really like how it's coming along, but I thought the moss at the bottom needed a little bit of color. So I'm just grabbing some little sprigs of lavender, and it's really neat because they're plastic and they will stand up when I put them in the moss. So I'm just kind of wiggling them in there, getting them to stand up, and then just placing them where I think they would look good. I didn't have enough moss to go around the back of the lantern, so I'm taking these stems of lamb's ear. They are from Joann's, and I got those, I think they were 50% off or something like that. Anyway, so I'm just putting these two at the back just to fill in the white space. So while I was doing this, and it was off camera when I decided this, but I took away the Farm Fresh Eggs sign. I didn't feel right having Farm Fresh Eggs with a little bird's nest that had little possibly live birdies in it, although they're not live, but you know, the concept of it. Anyway, so I had this thrifted birdhouse that I had painted white, and I thought this would be a perfect little addition rather than having an egg sign. So I've changed it up, and now I'm just kind of fixing things around that birdhouse to make it look nice. For the final touch, I found this little concrete bird at the thrift store. He was solid gray, but I went ahead and dry brushed him white, and I think he's just perfect perched on the little corner of the lantern. I'd like to thank Kenya for hosting the Spring Lantern collab. I really enjoyed playing around with my lantern. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and share my video. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I upload new content. Thanks for watching. See you later.